Hi, I'm Sarah, and did you know the Downtown Line is the fifth line to be built and the third fully underground line in Singapore? We're going to Bedok Reservoir.
Berhati-hati di ruang platform. Saya berkata, sangat
This artwork is called Somewhere Else by Ng Chi Yong, inspired by the water nearby. This station serves mostly to students and people going home, or to visitors to the reservoir. We're just going to exit A to see what's there before heading to the reservoir. There's a park and its neighborhood blocks. It takes around 4 minutes to get from exit B to the actual reservoir park, so let's go. Did you know a piece of the Berlin Wall is here at Bedok Reservoir Park? It was supposed to be returned to the owners in 2013, but somehow it's still here. Maybe George Yeo managed to convince them to keep it here? There's one last place I like, and it is Forest Adventure! It's a climbing course among trees with a 300-meter zip line over the waters. As you can see, there's lots to do in the park. And this is Sarah, and I'll see you next station.